Hello students, this is the fourth part of our 4.1 History of Novel. So open your books, page number 174, last line from this line on page number 174. Now listen carefully. The contribution of women novelists to the great pageant. So what is the meaning of pageant? Look at here. Pageant, it means literary work cannot be neglected. Neglect, it means ignore, or another meaning is fail to give proper attention. So what is the information is given here? The contribution of women novelists to this great pageant cannot be neglected. So there are few women novelists also. They did a great work in novel writing. So we have to learn about them. We have to know name of those women novelists who made these novels very famous in this world. The novel of Manners, Evelina by Frances Burney. Gothic novels, Gothic. So what is the meaning of Gothic? Look at here. Gothic, it means related to the ancient Goth people that invaded means live, invaded in Roman Empire between 3rd and 5th centuries. So Gothic, it means related to the ancient Gothic people. These Gothic people lived in Roman Empire between 3rd and 5th centuries. So novel written on these people, those novels are called Gothic novels. Gothic novels by Anna Radcliffe, a novel based on science of the age, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, are landmark novels. Landmark, see the meaning of this word, landmark. Landmark, it means change, making an important stage or turning point. So these are novels. The novel written on human manners, that is, name of that novel is Evelina, and that was written by Frances Burney. Gothic novels, it means those novels written on Goth people. Gothic novels by Anna Radcliffe and novel based on science of the age, today's science and future science. On these subject, novels written, those novels, that novel is called Frankenstein, which was written by Mary Shelley, and these novels are landmark novels. It means these novels made some kind of change, or these novels are turning point in the novel history. Jane Austen has been ruling over the mind of the people through her novels. There is another one women novelist, and the name of that novelist is Jane Austen. She wrote many novels, and particularly after writing her novel, she was ruling over the mind of other peoples. It means other people always giving respect to her writing. Her writing was always running in their mind. In their discussion we can see her novel's topic. Bronte sister Emily and Charlotte have created their own place in their incomparable works, The Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre. Now there are two sisters, Bronte sisters. First is Emily and second Charlotte. They have created a lot of work in novel, and they did lot work in novel, and their work was incomparable. It means incomparable, it means, look at the meaning of this word. Incomparable, it means matchless. Another meaning is not able to compare. These two sisters, Bronte sisters, writing or written work in the novel form was incomparable. We cannot compare that with other form of novels, and particularly their novels, The Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre, were very famous. Mary Anna Evan alias George Eliot wrote the novels reflecting psychological insight. Psychological insight, it means inner or deep feelings, thoughts, emotions of mind or heart. So Mary Anna Evan alias George Eliot wrote the novels reflecting psychological insight. It means in these women novelist writing, we can see some psychological insight. It means deeper feelings of human being, deeper emotions of human being, deeper thought in the heart, in the mind of human being, they presented in their novels. Virginia Woolf is the pioneer. Pioneer, it means the innovator or developer of new ideas or techniques. Pioneer of the stream of consciousness technique in English novel. Now there is another women novelist, and the name of that novelist is Virginia Woolf, and she was the pioneer it means innovator or developer of new technique, new idea. So there was a new technique, new idea developed by Virginia Woolf, and that technique is stream of consciousness technique in English novel. Agatha Christie created her own place by writing many novels based on crime. Another women novelist, and the name of that novelist is Agatha Christie. She had created novels, or she had written novels on crime. Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple are the evergreen detectives created by her. And Agatha Christie particularly used only two characters, and these two characters became very famous in the English novel, and the name of those characters are Hercule Poirot and Miss Marple. These are not living human beings, these are imaginary characters created by Agatha Christie, and made these imaginary characters, she made these imaginary characters very famous in English novel. Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood, Toni Morrison and Alice Walker have elevate means lift to a higher position. Elevated the tradition of further to prosperity. Now, there are many other women novelists such as Harper Lee, Margaret Atwood and Toni Morrison and Alice Walker. They have lifted the tradition of English novel on a higher position, higher level. They gave it a very highest position in English literature, and after that in future this tradition made very prosper, it became very successful, it flourished in future. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.